Okay, so as soon as you download your files, you're going to open the template PDF, and then you can click or copy and paste this link into a browser. And then it's going to take you to the Canva site where you need to either log into your account, or you can make a free Canva account, and then click Use Template. And here is your Canva template. So there's the vertical version on a couple of different backgrounds. If you ever need the white version, there's that as well. And then this is the horizontal version with the same background choices. And then there's the icon only that you can use for your branding as well. So to change the font, you just type over it. Pretty self-explanatory. You can change the font up here. You can only use these ones if you have Canva Pro. So let's just choose a random free font. Here you can make it all uppercase if you want. And then you can change the size by using this or here. Here you can change the letter spacing if you want it to look like that. Let's say you don't have a tagline, you can just delete that. You can center everything, position center. You could do the same for this. If you select both, you can group and then position it together. Do know that, see how there's like a little bit of space here, which is smaller than the space up here, that it's not actually exactly centered, so you can just kind of nudge it with your keyboard. If you press Shift and the up arrows on your keyboard, it makes the nudging bigger. You can ungroup here. Let's just say you wanted that a little closer. Okay, let's say you don't like this background. You can go to Elements, and then just type in Texture, and then Photos. And then we can just choose a free background that looks nice. Let's go with that. Here you can change the transparency just so it's not so heavy of a look, maybe like that. It's a little bit lighter. And then, so instead of like really typing everything, you can just click on here, go Command C for copy, and then go down here, delete these, go Command V for paste. Change this to white. And then you can adjust the hand icon. And now you have a white version. And then, the same for horizontal. And then to download, just go here. You can do either PNG, let's just leave it there. But there's also, if you want to do JPEG. And then click here. It automatically selects all the pages for you. So if you just want one page, just click here. Let's click one. Done. Download. And there's your final logo. So, if you don't like the background, you can also just make a copy of this and then just delete the background. That way you don't have to redo the white background version, and then you can download page 2. And now you have a plain, just white background version. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. If you are finding this tutorial on YouTube and you are interested in the logo, it's going to be in the description. All right, have a great day. Bye.